Good afternoon. It's about 3:10 on your Monday, January 16th. I'm meteorologist Kiel in the First Alert Weather Center to bring you an update on a tornado warning that is getting into the TV6 viewing area right now. The latest warning is in effect until 3:30 for portions of Jones and Cedar County, the extreme northern portions here of Cedar County. And this storm has had a history of producing a tornado. It first started in Williamsburg just about an hour ago, just after 2 o'clock, and has since tracked off to the north and east. So if we can go ahead and take radar full screen, we'll kind of get a closer look at this storm as it continues to track off to the northeast. So if you are in any of these areas, you need to be in your safe spot right now. You can see this is just to the north of Clarence. This includes Stanwood and Mechanicsville. And you can see this storm is just off to the west of the Mechanicsville area, right around Mount Vernon. And I'm going to go ahead and put a track on this storm. It continues to track off to the north and east at about 40 miles per hour. Again, this also has a possibility of producing some hail up to the size of quarters. So we'll put this track out even beyond the warning area, and then you can see this is going to be around the Olin area at 328, Macocata Medical Associates Center at 339, Oxford Junction at 349, and then right around the Macocata Metro between about 4 and 410. So if this storm continues to hold its strength, it will move into portions of Jackson County as well. And again, this is the tornado warning for a radar indicated tornado, which means it has not been spotted, at least recently. However, we continue to track the potential for a little bit of rotation that has the National Weather Service concerned, which is why the tornado warning is in place. So what we're looking for here in the velocity is reds and greens coming together. The reds are the winds inside the storm going away from the radar site in Davenport, and the greens are the winds going toward the radar site. So what we want to see is a little couplet, and we're not exactly seeing it, but the best potential for rotation, again, is going to be right around the Mount Vernon area, where we have a little bit of weak rotation. But we have to keep in mind that this is in fact January, so it's not going to take much rotation to get a storm to develop. And again, in addition to the potential of a tornado and hail, we also have lightning as a potential. I'm going to take you for a view of the entire viewing area, and you can see this is pretty much the only game in town. A lot of energy is going into this particular storm. We'll watch from the Quad Cities down toward Muscatine for the potential of maybe a couple of more storms to develop here as we head over the next couple of hours. We continue with our first alert day for the TV6 viewing area until about 7 o'clock, and it's really after 5 o'clock we should start to see that storm potential to wind down. So again, that tornado warning is in effect for portions of Cedar and Jones County until 3:30. We will continue to keep you updated right here in the First Alert Weather Center if any more warnings are issued. In the meantime, you can get the latest weather information on the free QC weather app as well as on our website, kwqc.com.